Hi everyone, this is Nancy Tickenoff with Forward Progress Health and Wellness. I just wanted to personally invite you out to Halifax Health at exit 114 off of I-4 here in Central Florida this coming Thursday, September the 14th from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. We're going to have a 1-hour vision workshop where I'm going to walk you through the first 3 steps of how to start defining your dream, designing your dream, and starting down the road on how to achieve that goal. The workshop is completely complimentary, and I would love for you to join us. There's no registration required. You can just show up. It is also on Eventbrite. If you do want to RSVP, that would be great, so I know how many snacks to provide for us, and we're going to have a great time. It's going to be it's interactive, so it's not only fun, but it's immersive, and you and I get to interact. So I'm really looking forward to that, and please come out and join us and invite your friends and family. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at my office at 386-530-5818 or email me at nancy.tickenoff@forwardprogress.health. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.